you how to make yellow rice. So here you will need basmati rice. It's already washed, so make sure to wash it. 3 cups of basmati rice. This is the cup size, so 3 cups of this. You can get something close to this, or if it's little than this, then put like 6. So heat up the pan. After it's heated, you will need. So after the pan is nice and heated, you will need 100 grams of any butter you would like. Gotta break it. Cloves, some curry leaves, one stick of cinnamon, make sure it's all broken, 5 to 6 cardamoms, 2 pieces of pandan leaves, 2 pieces of lemongrass, and lightly fry. One cut big onion and lightly fry. One and a half teaspoons of turmeric powder. Now you put the rice in from before. And mix. Mix well. Make sure to mix until all of it is yellow. That's how you know it's ready. And here you have yellow rice, but it's not completely done yet. So you make yellow rice. The rice fry a little bit into the butter, just a little bit, lightly. Whatever cup you use for the rice, use the same cup for the milk. So 6 cups of milk. You need 6 cups of milk. Some salt to taste. Mix well. Put the top on, the lid. So now it's cooked. But we only put it for 7 minutes, and we need to put it for another 7 minutes. Once first 7 minutes is finished, put it on half. Put the heater on half, and then put it for another 7 minutes. Okay, so now we need for another 7 minutes. So then rice is nice and ready. 3 cups of rice, 6 cups of milk. It's all good, it's all ready, and we'll need 1 teaspoon of crusted peppercorn. And we'll mix. So now I'll just out. So it looks so good now. I have the rice, have some curry leaves, have fish, I have dal curry, some onions and tomatoes, onion, spicy sugar salad, nice sugar salad, and yeah, you can put whatever you want, but this tastes very nice. It's a good combo and smells delicious. Okay, so that tasted very good. I had a bit. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to like, share it if you liked the video, and see ya on the next video. Bye.